Hey guys, welcome back and Happy New Year! How are you feeling after holidays? I hope you had a wonderful time with your family, friends, or whoever you were with. I hope you had a great rest and ready for 2024. I wish you all the best and I cannot wait for this new beginning. And yeah, today's we are going to unbox the COS bag, the new in COS bag that I just ordered for a couple weeks ago and it's arrived. It's one of the new in bag collection 2024 and I am so excited, really excited to show you guys how it looks and how I style it. And of course I'm gonna give you guys an honest review as well to see if it's worth the price. You guys know how obsessed I am with that quilted bag. I love the way it's functioned, the way it looks. It's pretty simple casual bag that I use it daily. I hope this bag will be able to swap it up with that bag. This bag's called Ripple Crossbody and I am so excited. Shall we open it? Let's open it. This bag's called Ripple Crossbody and I got this in black. There are two colors available. It's black and blue. I definitely get a black one because I am not a big fan of the blue bag. But yeah, they are so cute. Really similar to the quilted bag, although it used as the crossbody, and I just love this function because I already have the shoulder bag and this one I was looking for the crossbody bag and this should be perfect and the size is great. It looks like that. As you can see, this one gives different texture. It's more like wrinkle and all that. It's really cute. Material is 100% recycled polyester and the interior is the cotton lining. There is one slip pocket in the interior. I'm not sure if you can see it. Has a little zipper as well. And the big compartments right here. Basically just the same style with the quilted bag. I just love the shape of it. This is more like a half moon kind of style and I just love its crossbody, so it's like hack your body so well. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it looks. Here is my quilted bag. It's been amazing. What I noticed first is the material. This one is a lot softer than the Ripple bag. Let's say it's as soft as puffer jacket if you don't have an idea. But it is somehow really comfortable and it just makes me want to carry this every day with me. This one is more like rough in terms of material. And second is sizes. Sizes are different. This Ripple is a little bigger than the quilted one. I don't have the large quilted bag, but I think it's definitely bigger than this Ripple one. And the style are different. This one is used for the shoulder bag and this one is the crossbody. Now I have everything in front of me. I will show you guys what fits inside. First and first, I have book. I don't usually carry book, just so you know, but I just want to show you guys if I bring the book, if it's possible and it is fitted inside. Next, I'm gonna go with my wallet, my water bottle, I have the makeup pouch. I have my phone. This is the 14 Pro Max. My sunglasses. I also have my hair clips. So let's see. Okay, let me show you guys first. This is how it looks so far. Ta-da! This is it. For some reason, I thought this one is bigger than the quilted bag, but the capacity of this bag and the quilted one is just not that different. I feel like it didn't carry as much as I expected. Once everything is in size, it's got a lot fluffier. You can see the detail, the textures, and yeah, this is the Ripple Crossbody Bag. You get an idea what fits inside. Now let's see how I style this bag.